everybody, and welcome back to my story. I'm trying to be really careful right now about the vlog, so I'm just kind of positioning it in front of me and paying a lot more attention to the road. As you can see, there's been quite a bit of snow, and that's a good and bad thing. It made it a little bit hard for filming today, but I think it's going to make for some really cool videos here in the next few weeks if it sticks, or hopefully in the next few days, as long as it stays for at least a little bit. But it did kind of mess up my last minute plans to go out and get a pretty cool abandoned location that I was really looking forward to checking out. But it's only going to put me off hopefully a couple days, or maybe even a day, I'm not really sure. But wanted to pop in and wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And we got obviously the New Year's coming up here, so wanted to make sure to check in with all of you and wish you a happy and safe holiday season on behalf of my story and 539 Productions. Around here, it takes a couple days for people to remember what it's like to drive in the winter. It's a real strange phenomenon. What seems to happen is for the first day, people will drive like absolute maniacs. They'll drive like it's any other day of the week during the summer with a completely dry pavement, and there'll be 15-20 cars off the road, and then by day 2 they're all driving so slow, yet now all the plows and the salt trucks have been out and the roads are fairly nice and it's really completely safe to go the speed limit now, but they're all so afraid because they drove way too fast the previous day when it wasn't safe, that now they're driving 10 or 15 miles per hour under the speed limit. And the trick is, remember that last year it snowed, and last year it was slippery, and you already know how to drive on these roads. And then in these conditions, I'm already in snow mode. I'm already trying to feel the road, trying to feel for areas that are slippery. It's dangerous, but when done properly, you can do it safely and you can completely survive these kind of conditions. In certain parts of the year, during certain really bad weather systems, you couldn't even tell the difference between the road and the dirt even after they've plowed. You know, a lot of times within 5 minutes the wind has already blown fresh snow over the road and you can't even tell where anything is. But it does look amazingly beautiful. And I do love getting out in it. I gotta admit, part of me does love to drive in this type of weather. I was gonna let you guys know too, I mentioned in a few of the previous videos, but I wanted to keep mentioning that I am doing Snapchat now. Those of you that have followed me know that I'm not doing a whole lot yet, but I am trying to get a little bit better at it. And after the new year, it's going to be picking up a lot more, as well as the videos on both channels too. Really, bridges like this are the worst thing during the winter. I'm not the biggest fan of weather like this, but I do have to say it is kind of interesting. Now see, I'm already losing traction going up this hill. Biggest thing to do in situations like this is don't keep the wheel straight. Weave a little bit and you'll actually climb. See, I could, if I let off completely, I would actually start sliding backwards. But because I know what to do, I'm capable of taking care of the situation. And what do you know, there's actually a salt truck coming up behind me, and they don't seem to realize what's going on. Other than that, the only real update that I have, I think I've said before, but I'm going to be meeting up with a lot of new people here come the beginning of 2018, and I'm really looking forward to doing a bunch of collaborations and a bunch of travel to a lot further away locations than we've ever done before on this channel, and it's going to be a great year, a really exciting year. And like I said, as soon as the new year comes, things are going to be accelerating a lot, and it will be definitely the best year yet for both 539 Productions and my story. So with that being said, again, I'd like to wish you all a happy holiday season, and even if you're not celebrating the holidays, I'd like to wish you a happy new year and a great week. And thank you as always for tuning into the channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my story yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button at the end of this video. And if this is the first time you're ever seeing me, make sure you check out 539 Productions, my main channel, which is an adventure travel series. And I hope to see you all over there as well. So have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye.